we have here is our beans, and our recipe today is waakye. Now waakye is a very popular food or meal in Ghana. It's sold all over the place, in the streets, every corner. Okay, now our ingredients for today is going to be very simple. We have here our beans that has been soaked overnight, and we have our sorghum leaves, or what popularly known as waakye leaves, as you can see written on there, right? So we put our beans on the gas with some water, and then we're gonna add in our waakye leaves. You can see the color already popping up. Yep. So yes, the beans are soft enough. So what I'm gonna do is take out the sorghum leaves or the waakye leaves, put them away. We can actually still use them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag and put it in my fridge so I can use for another time. So now we're gonna proceed to wash our rice before we add it to the beans. It's always advisable to wash your rice. We added in our rice. Just look at it. Just look at that. We put on top of it a napkin or an aluminum foil. Then cover it and leave it to cook. Turning up, exactly how I wanted it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. Pretend you know how to make me feel right. I can't help had this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion.